Evie Valentine. That's a nice name. We could be related. Sophie. Soph's definitely got a British RP accent. She shared the live. And she's gone. And Libby and Sophie definitely got that British RP. Ilaria is from Spain. Hola, my name is Ilaria. I come from Spain. Oh my goodness, what is that? I am loving that. Thank you so much, AK. Rosie shared the live, and she's definitely Scottish. Charlie, thank you so much for sharing the live. Becky, thank you so much for that little heart. Thank you for tapping that little number out there. Becky, I'm going to say that you's got a London accent.